So just look at like scope of time, right? Now, obviously,
Mhm.
we always hear about like the scenario of someone taking 10, 20, even 30 years to become an overnight success. How long have you been on your journey to become who you are right now?
I think a while. Um, I'll be honest, when I first started my company, it this is going to sound very arrogant, but it really wasn't that hard. I networked around and I made a lot of good contacts, and people started just referring me and giving me little consulting jobs here and there. And I just literally networked my ass off for probably that first 2 or 3 years. And I had a ton of cups of coffee with people. I just worked and worked and worked, and it was really hard to keep it going. But to get started, it wasn't that hard, but just to keep it going was the challenging part, because you start out and you get clients right away and you think, oh, this is easy. I don't have to do much anymore. And then a few years go by and you're thinking, this isn't going to be easy all the time. I need to actually prove myself, and I need to keep up with the latest technology, plus run a business, plus make my clients happy. So I think it's been a journey. I feel like I'm still on that journey, but I do feel like I know my shit. I know what I'm going to do. Am I allowed to swear?
Yeah, look who you're talking to. Come on. Yeah.
um, So yeah, I just feel like I know my industry better than a lot of people out there. And I feel like I know the pre-technology side of marketing too, which also helps, because again, you're still dealing with human relationships. So that's a big part of it that I can bring with me
Mhm.
into this new technology world where you have to basically learn every single day. So I think it's still a journey, but I definitely know that I know my shit and I can speak about it.